In coming to the Data Science Dojo, I was really interested in expanding my existing tool set with some additional techniques. I've done some of the online courses, and I would much rather be able to ask questions and get explanations from someone who is an expert directly than rely on something that someone published online. The bootcamp is pretty intense, but I think manageable for just about anyone with some basic experience and the motivation to learn. It's very collaborative. There's a lot of back and forth between the instructors and the students. I've really enjoyed networking and getting to know and getting the perspectives of the other participants. I would recommend the bootcamp because learning these skills is going to be very important in the next decade or two for a large number of people. I mean, it doesn't really matter what industry you're in or what your prior education is like. There's a lot of value to be gained by doing something with the amount of data that we collect now. I'm not going to leave here as an expert, but I'll leave here with all of the resources I need for continued learning that is, I think, going to be pretty beneficial.